Alright, we're in doing hardwood floors. We've got the drum sander run over this room, 36 grit, and we've got 36 grit edging. In the master bedroom, we've got 36 drum, and we're edging in here right now. That puppy right there. That's the master bedroom. And then we've got two bedrooms back here, drum sanded already, 36 grit. What we'll do is edge with 36, 60, and 100, and then we'll come back over this whole entire floor with probably one pass with 36 with a flat buffer. And then we'll go 60 and then 100 and get it all smoothed out, clean it up. And then we're gonna go with a honey maple, I think it is what it is. We'll go with that. It's a lighter color to match the dining room floor closely. So. Underneath these floors are in good shape. A few scratches, a couple deep scratches in the other bedroom, but other than that, good to go.